Welcome to the brand new Precision Tweezers. So what's the difference between these tweezers and our previous tweezers? The tip. This is the finest tip ever, I have to say. It is so fine. It's almost like a little pin at the end there, okay? So if you are doing things like putting your alphabet letters down and things like that, or picking up your little sequins, oops, you can pick up even the sequin, which you wouldn't be able to do with a flat-headed tweezer, because I don't know whether you can see that. Let me bring that into you. Can you see how that's actually gone through the middle of the sequin? So you can place those wherever you want them. But it allows you to put precisely where you want things with that really fine tip, the larger handle as well. So you've got a good grip on that handle there. So that there is the brand new Precision Tweezer.